Just changing out the rear wheel bearings on this 2002 Toyota Echo. You can hear the grinding a bit. There's 4 bolts in the back. I just took them out. Here's the wheel bearings. I got them from Parts Avatar. And they showed up right on time, which is nice. This one didn't have any plastic on it, but it seems okay. The other one came in a plastic bag. Okay. Just put some anti-seize on there. So next time I change this, or then whoever changes it next, it's going to have a lot easier time getting it out. There, the hub's back in. Pads are back on. I now remember why I despise drum brakes, but it's all back together again. Thank you, Parts Avatar.